Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall VSDC Video Editor on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall VSDC Video Editor on Windows, begin by locating the Start menu. Click on the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Control Panel and hit Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, look for the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program under the Programs category. This will bring up a list of all installed programs on your computer. Scroll through the list to find VSDC Video Editor. Once you locate it, click on it to highlight the program. At the top of the list, you will see an option that says Uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall VSDC Video Editor. Click Yes to proceed with the uninstallation. The uninstallation process will begin and may take a few moments. Once the process is complete, you will see a message confirming the uninstallation. You can now close the Control Panel window. To ensure all files are removed, you may want to check the installation directory. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where VSDC was installed. Typically, you can find this in C:\program files /VSDC free video editor. If the folder still exists, finally, you may want to restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.